static electricity. I'm pulling it, I guess. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Touch it. I'm not pulling it. You see my hand is not around the cup. Boom, and it just comes with me. That's crazy. There's no slide, as you see. I can sit it there, it's not gonna slide off. But you know, if I touch it, my energy. Oops, there we go. Comes with me. That is crazy. Oh, did I lose it? I think I lost it.